On March the 28th, 1967, a flight took off from the Royal Thai Air Force Base, beginning Operation Popeye. Over the next 5 years, the United States would fly over 2,602 missions at 2 operations per day from March to November under the slogan, "Make Mud, Not War." Operation Popeye was officially terminated on the 5th of July 1972. The goal was to extend the monsoon season, creating an inordinate amount of rain by seeding clouds over the Ho Chi Minh Trail, the primary supply route used by North Vietnam to infiltrate troops, weapons, and supplies into the south. Popeye's objective: soften road surfaces on the trail, cause landslides along roadways, and wash out river crossings. It's believed that it did exacerbate the amount of rainfall and probably extended the monsoon season by 30 to 45 days. 5 war jets altered and fitted with silver iodide injectors expended 47,409 units of cloud seed cartridges. Using cloud seeding as a weapon of war, causing enormous damage to civilians, raised a number of moral questions, and in 1977, the US joined the Environmental Modification Convention Treaty, which formally banned weather modification for malicious purposes. Cloud seeding projects continue to this day all around the globe, but for a very different purpose. Nations hope that this technology will allow them to force clouds that would otherwise move on to condense and rain. The United Arab Emirates, for example, a nation with desert climate, operates such a program on a national level. In the early 2000s, the UAE started performing regular cloud seeding operations. Armed with hydrocarbon flares filled with a mixture of potassium chloride, sodium chloride, magnesium, and other minerals, pilots take to the air, and when the plane reaches the right clouds, the pilots release the flares. These salts basically attract the moisture, becoming the nuclei of condensation, and when these droplets condense, they join and form bigger droplets that the air cannot hold, effectively creating rain. Scientific discussions regarding its effectiveness remain, and there is also a discourse on possible health and environmental risks. Together with this are political questions that need to be answered, such as whether a country holds the rights to a cloud that moves over its territories. Given the urgency of water supply in many regions and water conflicts already ongoing about rivers that flow through several nations, this could lead to disputes in the future as climate change leads to more extreme weather events. Yakut Tobias for CI Radio News.